Hey, it's Mark with Punchbug Marketing. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to install a theme in WordPress with two different ways. So from the dashboard, if you click on Appearance and Themes, one of the first ways you can do it is to click on the Add a Theme box at the bottom, and that'll basically take you to the free marketplace where you can browse and preview different themes. So if you click on the preview option, it gives you an idea of what the theme would look like on your website. This is obviously a blank website with no content. So we'll preview a couple of these. You can see there's some different layouts and styling. And then we'll find one that we'd like to actually install. So we'll click preview. Yeah, this one looks good. So you want to activate. So now you can go to the front end of the site and see, there you have it. The theme has been installed. So the other option for installing a theme is to go back to the dashboard and then click the Add New button. And here we would upload a theme. So there's an upload button. And we can ignore this. And so I have the X theme zip file on my desktop. And I'm going to install that theme. So you do have to have a zip file, which maybe you purchased a theme from like ThemeForest or something. You would have that on your computer. Click install, it'll upload the theme, and then you can either preview it or just activate it right away. And we'll just activate it so we can see what it looks like. So you could put in your code, to verify the purchase, everything, but we won't do that today. We just want to see that the theme has been uploaded and it is ready to start adding content to. And that's pretty much it.